Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing and preparing the app. Open the App Store, download Google Authenticator, and keep your iPhone unlocked. This speeds setup. Make sure your device has a passcode and Face ID or Touch ID enabled so codes stay protected. Next, go to the online account you want to secure and open its security or two-factor authentication settings. You'll need that page open while you continue. Once done, return here and let's add your first account using scanning or manual entry. Now add the account. Tap the plus sign and choose Scan a QR code or enter a setup key. If you scan, grant camera permission and center the QR code. Google Authenticator reads it and creates the entry instantly. If you prefer manual entry, type the account name and the supplied key, set the code type to 30-second time-based TOTP, and save. Make sure the account appears with a rotating 6-digit code. Once visible, you're ready to verify back on the original service. Finish by verifying and protecting access. Enter the 6-digit code shown in Google Authenticator on the service's verification field and submit. Codes refresh every 30 seconds, so act quickly. Immediately save provided backup codes or register a second device as a recovery option and store those codes offline where only you can reach them. If verification fails, make sure your iPhone clock is accurate. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and enable Set Automatic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.